This is the elevator at 218 Route 17 North in Rochelle Park, New Jersey. Going up?
Yeah.
Which floor?
2. Thank you.
3,000 pound capacity. Belt. It's just your basic Schindler RT hydraulic elevator. Let's ring the alarm. Belt. Let's go back up to 5. And here we go. Go back down to L. I think this ADA compliant phone box is broken. Oh, there we go. ADA compliant phone. At least I fixed it front. Yeah, this crap's broken. There we go. And send it up to 5. Oh. Thanks, sir. Thank you. I'm just documenting the elevators. Have a good day, sir. 3,000 pound capacity. This is going to be the last one that we document today. I'm going to get a cat beam going up. I want to hear the motor, so that's kind of why. There's your emergency phone. Belt. Let's go back down to LL. Again, it's a 3,000 pound capacity. Just like the other one's pretty basic. This is going to be the last one that we ride for today. Because I'm actually going just to a little meetup with, hopefully, with Felicia and all of them. So but I had to make a stop here really quickly because my parent is taking care of something in one of the offices here. Let's go back up to number 5. Hopefully there's nobody waiting down here. go back down to the hill. And here we are at 1. We're not going to ride any more elevators here today. This is owned by GHP. We own, we manage, we lease. Nice slogan, by the way. There's your lanterns. There it goes, and that's it.